Certainly, you would be trading or plan to trade, and those who are already trading, their wallet must have reached a point where you have accumulated number of coins in a smaller fractions. I'm pretty sure you understand when these smaller fractions of amount are combined together, they can give you a useful, a valuable amount that you can utilize for further tradings. The best part is Binance has provided a functionality that will allow you to convert these smaller fractions of amount to BNB coin. I wonder why you wouldn't use it. When the amount is scattered, it is of no use. Then why not to convert it into BNB coin and then utilize it for further trading? The steps that one has to follow in order to convert these smaller fractions of coin into the BNB coin. For that, please click on the wallet which is present on the top right corner over here. After clicking on it, click on Fiat and Spot. A new window will open, and on this new window, in the center, you will see Convert Small Balance to BNB. This is the option you have to select in order to do the conversion. Alright, so once we are here, we need to select all the coins that needs to be converted. Here I am selecting, and then on the right hand side there is a yellow color button which has convert on it. You have to click on it in order to do the conversion. But before that, I would like you to show the conversion history that I have done before. Here on the new tab, you can see the conversion that I have done. So these are the coins which I have converted. So this is the amount I had, and this is the fee that I have paid for the conversion, and in the end it shows the number of BNB I am getting, the number of converted BNBs. This is the total amount. And now let's go back. Here I'm not able to convert it, reason being, in order to complete the conversion, Binance requires certain amount of BNB and mine is below that. The requirement is not met. So here on this screen you see the requirement. This is the requirement and this is how much I have got. So that's why I'm not able to convert it and show it right now, but you know the steps that you have to follow to do the conversion. So select the coins that you would like to convert and then click on the convert button, and when you would be converting, before that it will show you the amount of the BNB that you would be getting, approximate BNB value, right? So this is how you can do it. If you would like to see more such videos, please do subscribe to my channel and do check out the Binance playlist that I have. I keep on creating such videos that will help you to learn more about the Binance platform. And if you have a specific requirement, please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to create a video on that topic. And if you want me to make the video in Hindi language, please let me know. I can also do it for you. Thank you.